Today we are going to study patterns. What is patterns? A pattern is a sequence that repeats. If any shapes, figures, numbers or letters are in a definite sequence, then it's called a pattern. We can make patterns with any shapes, figures, numbers and letters. We'll see one example. In this, a donut comes first, then a cake. Again, a donut and a cake. Here, the donut, then a cake. This pair repeats again and again. So, this sequence forms a pattern. Here, we can see some shapes. Triangle, circle and square. In this pattern, we can see a triangle, next a circle and a square. Again, a triangle, circle and a square. This one unit is repeats again and again. So, this is also a pattern. Now, see this picture. Is this a pattern? Can you see any sequence in this picture? No, we cannot see any sequence here. There is nothing repeats. So, this is not a pattern. Let's see another example. Here, we can see some letters. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. These letters are in a sequence. So, this is also a pattern. What if I have some numbers? Even these numbers are in a pattern. Let's see how. This is a repeated design. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. First 2, then 4. This unit repeats again and again. So, this is a pattern. Now, look at this. We have number 2, number 4 and number 6. Is this a pattern? Yes, it is. How can we find the next number? See the difference between next two numbers. How can we find the difference between two numbers? Let's take 2 and 4. To find the difference between two numbers, we have to subtract. Subtract the small number from the big number. 4 minus 2 equals 2. The difference between 4 and 2 is 2. The difference between 4 and 6 is also 2. How? 6 minus 4 equals 2. The difference between every next two numbers is 2. So, this is in a sequence. So, this is a number pattern. Which number will come next? The common difference is 2. So, after 6, 7, 8. 8 will come next. Look at this. 6, 9, 12. See the difference between next two numbers. The difference is 3. How? 9 minus 6 is 3. And see the difference between 9 and 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now we'll see what will come next. Common difference is 3. So after 12, skip 3 numbers, then 15 will come. We will see another number pattern. 25, 30, 35. Now what should we do? Find the difference between the two numbers. For that, we have to subtract the small number from the big number. So, 30 minus 25 equals 5. The difference is 5. So, after 35, what will come? 40, then 45, then 50. Now let's look at this pattern. 70, 60, 50. These numbers are in reverse. How can we find the next numbers? We have to find the difference between the numbers. For that, we have to subtract the small number from the big number. So, 70 minus 60 equals 10. The difference is 10. So, after 50, what will come? 40. Then 30. This is also a number pattern. Look at these two number patterns. First one is 64, 71, 78. And the next one is 43, 39, 35. What should I do to find the next numbers? See the first one. What is the difference between the numbers? 71 minus 64 equals 7. The difference is 7. Now see 64 next 71. So this is increasing. 64, 71, 78. So I have to add the difference number to 78 to find the next number. 78 plus 7 equals 85. Then 85 plus 7 equals 92. So after 78, then 85, then 92. Now we will see the next pattern. 43, 39, 35. This pattern is reducing. Now what should I do? I have to find the difference. 43 minus 39 equals 4. So the difference is 4. Now I have to subtract to find the next number. I have to subtract 4 from 35. 35 minus 4 equals 31. Now to find the next number, we have to subtract 4 from 31. 31 minus 4 equals 27. Now we'll see how to do number pattern questions. First question, 24 blank 36 42 blank. First, we should find the difference. Can we take 24 and 36 to find the difference? Can't. Why? Because these are not next two numbers. So we have to take 36 and 42 because those two numbers are next two numbers. The difference is 6. So now to find the number next to 24, we should add 6 to 24. 24 plus 6 equals 30. Then 42 plus 6 equals 48. Second question. We can see in the middle there are two numbers. So we can take those two numbers to find the difference. So 93 minus 83 equals 10. We can find the number next to 93 by adding 10 to 93. 93 plus 10 equals 103. Can we do the same to find the number before 83? Can't. We have to subtract 10 from 83. 83 minus 10 equals 73. Then 73 minus 10 equals 63.